Hello guys, welcome back to F2E2. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Maytag washer F2E2 error code. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if your washer displays F2E2, it signals a communication problem between the main power relay control board and display interface control board. Now, to initiate a reset, which in this case might probably solve this issue, is you need to start by unplugging the washer for 5 minutes. This allows the electronics to reset, which sometimes resolves the issue. Now, another thing you to do is check the connections. If the error persists, consider dismantling the control panel to inspect the wire harness between the interface and relay ports. Ensure these connections are securely fastened. Now, in some cases, if you don't know how to do this, make sure to contact a professional first. Now, if the steps 2 and 3, like we mentioned before, does not solve your issue, then it's likely that the entire user interface control board needs replacement. And unfortunately, this means ordering and installing a new control board to fully address the problem. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to F2E2. Thank you for watching.